What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr. Piranha from the bad guys. Let's begin today's lesson along the top center of our page with the right eye. So we're going to draw a circle, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now on the left side, I'm just going to raise the cheek across the bottom edge of the eye. So we'll start with a curve going up and then out. And we'll tuck the eye in underneath. So we're going to start right here, come in, across the top, down, and then back in towards the cheek. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to start on the left. Draw a circle going all the way around, and then in. Line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each pupil. And then we'll fill the bottoms in black, going around that highlight. Now I want to move down and draw a large curve for the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left. And bend this down in the middle, go across, and then up. Over on the left side, let's add the tooth. We're going to bend this in towards the top, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Now the eyebrow on the left, we're just going to pull this down. So we start down here, angle this up, round this out, and then come down along the side. Now I want to add some thickness, going up and then down towards the inside. Let's fill that eyebrow in black. And I'm going to raise the right eyebrow. So from the same point, we're going to step up, go up higher, and then bend that down. Go back to the inside, we're going to add some thickness, going up and then down, and we'll fill that in black. Now I want to draw the top half of the head. In the center, we're going to leave a gap. Let's go to the left side. We're going to bend the head going around the eyebrow, and then come down towards the side of the head. Move over towards the right, go across the top of the eyebrow, and then down. Let's add those fins across the top. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. Let's curve the side, going up towards the top. Bend this down, and then in towards the top of that curve. Now underneath, we're just going to bend this around and then out towards the right side of the head. Let's add a few more fins bent over towards the left. Going up and over. Then bring that back down. On the side, let's add another one. Going up. And then down. Add a small one on the end. Now let's draw the bottom half of the head. We're going to start back on the left side, going around the corner of the mouth. Come all the way down towards the chin and then in. Let's go all the way out. Up on the right side, and then blend that in. Let's separate the jaw across the corners of the mouth. So on the left side, I'm just going to bend this around and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side. I'm going to add some wrinkles. On the side of the eye, going out, step down, and add another one. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Starting over on the left side, and bend the body coming down and then in towards the hip. We'll line that up on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Close off the hip with a curve. On either side, we're going to add a circle for a button. And we'll add that strap going up and out. So from the top of that circle, we'll draw two lines. One on the outside, one on the inside. Let's add that clip from the bottom of the circle. It's going to angle these two lines going down and out. And I just want to trace that along the inside. Now I'm going to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from the side of the body, bend the arm going up and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now from the outside edge of the thumb, I'm going to draw the hand going around that bracket, then the hand going up, and then in underneath the head. Let's draw the edge of the sleeve. We're going to start on the left side, bend this around and then in towards the bottom of the arm. I'm also going to add a fold, stepping in, add another curve. Now I'm going to go back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve going across in between the legs. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, angle the leg going down and out towards the left and right side. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to bend this out and then back in towards the bottom of the, bend this out and then in towards the ankle, and then we'll just round out the bottom of the leg. Now we're going to tuck the feet in underneath the legs. Let's start from the inside. We're going to bend the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up along the outside. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the foot, going up, across the bottom of the leg, and then down. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Mr. Piranha from the Bad Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.